Hello, I'm Alan Jensen, one of your instructors in the Carpenter apprenticeship program at NAIT. Carpenters build, renovate, and repair structures made of wood, wood substitutes, concrete, and other materials. The scope of work a carpenter can do is huge, so there's a lot to cover in just 4 years of the program. You'll not only learn how to build structures, but also install windows, doors, hardwood flooring, stairs, handrails, and multiple interior and exterior finishes. You'll receive training to construct concrete forms for commercial and industrial work. You'll also learn how to erect scaffolding and forming systems for bridges, tunnels, towers, and other structures. The Carpenter Apprenticeship Program is 4 years in length, with 1,560 hours of on-the-job training and 8 weeks of technical training each year. A typical week of technical training includes 30 hours of instruction, divided equally between classroom and shop time. Whether you want to work for a construction, maintenance, or renovation company, a government agency, or as a contractor, NAIT's Carpenter program is committed to your success. We look forward to seeing you soon.